In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fit a large table in PowerPoint neatly, clearly, and without losing any important details. If you've ever struggled with tables that just won't fit or look cluttered on your slide, this guide is for you. Whether you're presenting data to your boss, your class, or a group of clients, getting your table to fit perfectly can make all the difference. Let's jump right in. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and load up the presentation you want to work on. Once it's open, head to the top menu and click on Insert. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to add elements like shapes, charts, and of course, tables. Click on Table and a grid will appear. Here, you can select the number of rows and columns based on how much data you're working with. Don't worry too much about it being perfect right now. You can always adjust later. Once you've selected your size, click to insert the table onto your slide. Now, here's where most people get stuck. The table looks fine, but it doesn't fit. Maybe it's too wide, maybe it's too tall, or maybe the text looks squished. Let's fix that. Click once on your table and you'll see small squares. These are the resize handles. You can drag these handles inward or outward to perfectly fit your table within the slide. If your table still feels too big, try adjusting the font size or the cell padding by selecting the table, going to the Layout tab, and fine-tuning the text alignment and spacing. Another great trick is to change your slide orientation. Go to Design, greater than slide size, greater than custom slide size, and switch from landscape to portrait. This gives you more vertical space for tall tables, perfect for reports or data-heavy slides. And if your table is simply too large to fit comfortably on one slide, consider splitting it into two smaller tables or highlighting only the most important data. You can always include a reference note or attach the full table in a handout. With these simple adjustments, your table will fit beautifully, clean, readable, and professional. No more cluttered slides or microscopic text. And that's it. You now know how to fit a large table in PowerPoint like a pro in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more PowerPoint tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your slides smart, simple, and stunning.